What's up guys, it's Erwin here. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, click subscribe, hitting me a huge thumbs up. So, if you guys are wondering why my lips are purple, because I just ate a lollipop, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing this, I just went to a birthday party, then me and my cousin went to the grocery, and look what we found. Oishi twice collab something, and there's a photocard in it. It just feels like, is this 80 lang? Some people also say it's just like 80, but like I seen this on TikTok, and many people asked how much it was, and then almost all of the people said 80 or like 85 something, around 80. So I bought two. I'm manifesting Nayon or Sana or Mina or Cheyong, but all I'm hoping for is Nayon and Cheyong. So there, I can feel the photo card. Or I can either get OT5 if there is. OT5, OT9. So let's go! I'm so excited. This is my first time seeing this. First it is Oreo. Now this. Oh my god. I know. Here, I'm gonna get scissors. Okay, so I finally got scissors. I'm so happy. I'm gonna use the pillows as my baon. Well, I'm gonna get pillows. Get the pillows for my baon. Oopsie. So I'm gonna show you guys what's included. So this is what, there's one potato fries, one this thing, one pillow. Oh, I already seen a photo card. One pillow, one of this oishi prawn crackers, one other pillow but chocolate, and yeah, that's it. I hope it's not bent. If it's not, I'm so excited. I'm manifesting Nayon or Cheyong or whoever. No, I broke it. It's okay. It's just the plastic. No! Oh, I got the green, so I'm manifesting Jonghyun. I got the Migos one. So I'm manifesting Jonghyun. Or will I get Dayon? It's Dayon! Wow, this is so cool, guys. I wasn't expecting to get Dayon, but it has her signature. It's like matte. Oh, it's so cute.
Open mo na yung isa pa.
Okay. I'm not gonna make this video like a long one, so yeah. Dayon. I'm manifesting Nayon. I'm sad. These are the last two, so I got two. Yep, still the same. Manifesting Nayon. Nayon. Nayon or Cheyong. If I ever get the purple one, I got Cheyong. She's the only purple one here. Okay. Or it's good if I get. It's also good if I get Gio or Momo. No, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be. Oh, it's a duo. It's a duo. Oh no! It's it's a five of the members. Wow! I thought it was gonna be a duplicate. You know why, guys? I saw this one first. So I have it. Whoa. It's matte. Dion. Nyan. Is this Sana? Chewy. And Jonghyun! Yay! Wow. So these are what I got, guys. That's it, guys. Bye!